Today we're at the Boutique Homes Riva 26 display at Highlands, which features our new Cape facade.
If I wanted to describe this home in 3 words, it would be modern country retreat.
The Riva is one of our more narrow products. It fits a 12.5 metre wide lot. So to give the house an open feel, basically split it down the middle. We've got a corridor that divides sort of the bedrooms and living areas. We put all that living space at the back, and also that rear living part of the house is full width. So at the back of the block, you can take advantage of all the 3 sides of your backyard.
From the initial design concept, we decided that we wanted a home that caters for families of different demographics, young and older. That's what I envisaged to carry out in terms of finishes. Introducing concrete and textural woven fabrics, natural timbers, which will tie in well with the timber which I've selected for the floor. I love the master bedroom. I love the VJ paneling.
The Riva's got a good separation of zones in the house. You've got the bedrooms at the front and in the middle. You've also got a separate theatre room. The Riva floor plan comes with multiple design options so that customers can personalise the house to suit their lifestyle.
The kitchen is heart of the home, so it's important to be beautiful as well as functional.
It's got a big island bench with a long kitchen run along the back, walk-in pantry, and the Polytech thermolaminate overheads. They've got a vertical groove in them, which really gives the kitchen a little bit more of that Hamptons character.
The look that we have in this home is very easily achievable by use of natural materials. Keep the timbers light, keep the colors soft. Don't be afraid to introduce concrete and stone. I would describe the overall feeling and the atmosphere of this home as comfortable, homely, but at the same time sophisticated and stylish.